To complete an application, there are a couple of different ways you can complete an application. Uh, One option, of course, is to complete an application on behalf of your customers right here on the platform. And for that, all you have to do is select the plans that you would like to complete an application for. So, for example, I've selected a marketplace plan. I've selected this off exchange dental plan, and let's stay with those two for now, and then I can just go in and complete an application on behalf of the customers, right? So that's just one way of doing it. The other way is, of course, as I mentioned to you earlier, um, you can send an email with the proposal to the customer, and the customer can self-enroll. So let me show you a copy of that proposal here. So here you go. This is the proposal that you sent to the customer. As you can see, this is the PDF version. We have both the PDF as well as the Excel version. As far as the proposal goes, you see that there's a fair bit of branding again. That's we take care of your logos, the name of the customer, the name of the agent. There's also a nice cover letter with your contact information as well as information about the agent and the customer. And then for each line of business, it shows side by side all the plan information, all the benefits. They're all shown side by side. And as you walk through this process, you also see the pricing. You also have links to the summary of benefits. And the same thing with dental also. And at the bottom, you see this apply for this plan link. So the customers can also self-enroll directly from this link. And same thing with the short-term medical. You see these apply for this plan. Customers can just click on this link and complete an application on their own. But when they do that, you are automatically associated with that enrollment. So your AOR information is automatically attached to it. So that's the second way of doing it. When you do the application online, it will walk you through the entire process. If you were doing it instead of the customer, it will walk you through the entire process and complete that entire application step by step. So now what you saw here is the ability to complete an application from scratch where you have to enter all that information, and the way you can combine multiple lines of business using a single application flow. Now, if you were only doing a marketplace plan, then there is also an easier way to do that, especially if your customers have had some footprint on the marketplace. Either they have an active marketplace plan already, or they have had a marketplace plan anytime in the last 7 years. Then the process gets even easier. I'll show you an example of that. So right now what you saw me doing was I actually created a customer's data from scratch, went through the coding process, and then once I finished the coding process, I was able to get into the application flow, and I had to enter all that information about their eligibility and everything right here. But if this is a renewal customer, or even if they don't have an active marketplace plan today, if they have had a marketplace plan in the last 7 years, you have some easier shortcuts to do this process. So let me show you an example of that. So here's, I click on access market. Now this is only if you want to do a marketplace plan. The example I showed you earlier, I actually combined on exchange and off exchange and multiple lines of business all together, right? So whereas here, let's say if you want to do only marketplace enrollment, all you have to do is go in, and let me just go through my marketplace ID, just 1 second. There you go. All I have to do is log into my own marketplace ID. And then all I have to do is search for that customer who has had some footprint on the marketplace in the past 7 years. So just search for that customer using their first name, last name, um, and date of birth. I'm assuming I'm entering the right information here. And just pick the latest plan, check on that box, and you can I think I did not enter the correct date of birth here. Let me just correct that. Yeah, once you pull up that customer's information, if there are any changes to their eligibility data, of course you want to update that there. But if not, all you have to do is click on that return to enrollment site. Now what this does is it actually brings back that customer's data, including all their existing eligibility information, right back onto the BrokerEngage platform. Right, so you didn't have to type anything, you just brought back every piece of information about that customer from the marketplace. And then all you have to do is just click on this quick renew ACA. Select that renewal plan, go into the cart, and just submit it. So literally in 3 or 4 clicks you can complete it without doing a whole lot of typing. So you saw how easy it was to renew a customer that has had a marketplace plan using BrokerEngage. You literally can do that in 30 seconds. And if they do not have a footprint on the marketplace, then the way I showed you earlier, you have to enter the entire application on the platform, but you can still complete that whole process right here on Benefit Align. All right, so that's the individual flow. So hopefully you saw how easy it was to quote and enroll from multiple lines of business using BrokerEngage.